Okay, so quick construction update. For the past couple days I haven't made a video, but I have been working. Got that window over there boarded up. I'm going to paint a sign on front of that. And got a handrail built there. And this ramp. I just painted that today. Looks like I missed a spot. Alright. Then on the inside, I have got some wall color on. Oh, let's see. Got some trim up here in this big section over that. And I changed out the light kit on that fan for one bulb to a 4 bulb so we could have more light in here. And I've had to paint that like 3 times. So I still have to trim the ceiling in. And I still have to paint the baseboards in here. I haven't done that yet. And this trim's not quite finished. In here, mostly got wall color. I've got to trim the ceiling in, finish the baseboards, paint the baseboards. See, that looked good on the inside there. Nice, the big shelf window. Our new air conditioner unit will go in the bottom of that window. Then I'm almost done trimming around that doorway. I ran out of 1x4s. Got that done. Got that doorway trimmed today. Got those baseboards in today. There's Darnell. So that's the construction update. And should be done by February, I think, for classes to start being held out here in the new studio. I still have 2 seats available for January, so if you're interested, send me a message.